Air conditioner not turning on? Time to call Erickson Plumbing, Heating, Air, and Electrical. Erickson, for the heart of your home. When your AC unit stops blowing cold air, call the company who will give you the best advice. Erickson will help you evaluate your home's air conditioner needs. We specialize in forced air cooling systems, as well as ductless cooling systems and air handlers. Erickson Cooling Systems. Don't settle for less than the best. 24/7 emergency on-call service. Carrier factory authorized dealer. Trustworthy and affordable. Licensed, bonded, and insured. Better Business Bureau A+ rating. Listen to what our clients are saying.
They were professional and quick about completing the work and did a very professional job. I would definitely recommend Erickson to anyone. Matt.
I was able to get the most bang for my buck at a rate I felt more than reasonable. Robin.
Erickson, for the heart of your home. Serving Blaine, Minnesota. Plumbing, heating, air conditioning, electrical, plus home and office security. Call 763-783-4545 or visit iHeartErickson.com.